Service? We are rich.
Dr. Dre, the excavations are going very successfully. We've,
Whoa!
What is this? We're gonna sell this. Dr. Dre, you make billions.
We must preserve it! We've been looking for this our whole lives!
This trash?
Our whole career!
This trash? We could sell this
I've
to
been
idiots.
searching for this my whole career! You have no idea!
You idiots!
Okay.
I'm always prepared for this. Oh.
That settles this. So, does anyone have any questions on how we're dealing with this now? Please speak up. I value your opinion.
No, you can't do it!
You saw nothing.
Where are we? What is this place?
She's dead.
Where are
What did you do?
we? I did nothing!
Where is it?
This?
Give it to me.
No.
Give it to me now.
No.
Give it to me now! What have you done? What have you done? I've been looking for that my whole life! You have no idea what you've done.
I was going to make billions.
I was going to save my people.
What people? You're human.
My family! My people! My planet! You have no idea what you've done!
Gonna say
We got 433 domestic disturbance. Somebody lost a doorknob. We're gonna go try to deal with it. Yeah, we get calls out here all the time. Too often, if you ask me. Really frustrating. I think we're just gonna go down here. If the roads aren't closed again. Yeah, hopefully I don't have to call in backup. Last time I had to do that, we had to call in 50 other squad cars to come and help me take down this guy who stole 45 tons of petroleum from the Gamma sector. So hopefully that's not the issue here, but we'll find out.
Why?
You
It's not
kidding?
gonna work! It's not
Wait,
gonna
what?
work!
Time Lord's freaky fast delivery?
It's not gonna work! Oh my gosh!
I just called 911. Why is it not working? Why is it not working?
You're so stupid. You don't know how this works.
Time Lord's freaky fast interrogation.
Thank you for coming, but...
What's happening?
I don't know.
Oh,
What is this? You're not a police officer.
Are you telling police?
nope.
No.
Okay, you don't know what's going on, but it's kind of crazy, so just don't freak out.
What's happening?
Don't freak out! Don't freak out! Okay. We're Time Lords.
Oh, best joke ever.
He's gonna die anyway.
There's no such thing as Time Lords. That's like a TV show. What is it, Doctor, what's his name? Doctor who? Doctor what? Doctor it?
You're gonna go down for this. You're gonna lose your time.
Why is it so dark in here? Oh,
I don't know. It's not dark anymore. Maybe I'm the Time Lord.
What about
Anyway.
the other girl? What happened to her?
She kind of died.
You killed her?
No!
Arrest her, sir! And give me that doorknob.
I'm gonna be doing a lot of arresting today.
I need that doorknob.
Right now, we need to figure this out.
That's not yours. That's mine. It's my family's. You can't take it.
I found
It's
it.
not yours.
Hey! Finders keepers, losers leave.
I will slap you so hard.
Break it up. All right, you both need to come with me. We gotta go
No.
get this started. Yes.
No.
Let's go.
No. Sorry. No.
Call the real police.
But
Nope.
it's not gonna work. You're just gonna call them again. He's already here. So it's...
Why is this not working? You guys can't be serious. There's no such thing as a time.
Would you walk outside and look? We're in a freaking alternate dimension.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, this is kind of what we live. Yeah.
Why are those trees upside down? What is that animal? Why are you arresting us? I thought we were working together.
I thought the
I
story
didn't
exactly
do
why
anything.
you're get in there.
I did nothing. I did not
Get
kill
in
anyone.
there. Get in there.
Oh, it's
What's that smell?
Yeah, that's
Ooh,
a different
maybe.
story. That's a story for a different day. You don't have clearance.
It smells like
Hey, stop! Stop!
Where's the doorknob?
Stop, you're under arrest.
But why?
Why? You've killed 2 people.
No, I
And you
didn't.
broke protocol. You didn't call me. Yes, civilian had to call me. You told the civilian we were Time Lords. The list goes on and on.
Okay, first of all, I didn't kill anyone. That was the doorknob,
Okay, well,
not me.
Can you explain all the other things? That's right.
He's gonna die anyway because he can't stay in this dimension very long. He has like 5 minutes to live still, so. Yeah.
That's fair. That's
Where's the doorknob?
I don't know. I thought you had it.
I don't have it.
Well, yet another thing to arrest you for. Okay.
Looking for this?
Hey, you got the money?
Yeah.
Hey, we said 40.
Okay.
Hey, whatever happened to that other guy?
Oh, he's right there.
Oh. Oh, he's dead.
Sweet.
I told you!
Oh yeah, that's just the. Yeah.